Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I wanted to show you something that I struggled with a lot, and maybe you did, so maybe I'll show you something useful for a change. Anyway, this is my Texan H-501x, and it uses two 1860, oh, those big batteries, whatever they are. Uses two of them. And on the back, I got this at an angle to try to keep the reflections down. On the back, it has a switch to switch between the two batteries. So it's got a battery and a backup battery. Now, you can charge these through this port right here. Or what I wanted to do is take them out. And that's where the problem started. Let me turn it back around. I even had to contact Ann from Anaco, asking her, you know, what am I doing wrong? I don't want to push on hard. I don't want to use any screwdrivers or anything like that. So she had a short video from Texas, because this is a common problem, showing how to do it. And the secret is right here where it says push. You need to push down with all your might and then slide this whole piece off. I'm going to try to do it. I don't know if I'll be successful, because I did it a few minutes ago, but it was difficult. So let's try it. Push. The key is you got to push really hard, and then you got to, I can't do it. I can't do it. I did it a few minutes ago. It started to move. I just taken a lot of medication, so I don't have much strength. One more time and then we'll quit. There it went. There it is. Boy, that is hard to get off. You got to really push hard on this end to unlock it, and then at the same time push this way. And you can pull with this part, this little foot here, is lay it back on. Boom, goes on easy, but it doesn't come off hard. But it's got those two batteries, which I should have showed you better, but I can't get it open again. That's my one shot for the day of getting that thing open. But the good news is it has a built-in charger, comes with a charging cable, so you don't really have to take the batteries out unless they won't charge. That's it. Thanks to Anna, and I hope this helps some of you out there with your new Texan H-501x. I really like this radio. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows of interest, not just wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.